Good morning, members of Volt and our Springfield community. My name is Loretta Roney. I am the President CEO here at Volt Credit Union. I wanted to take a little time this morning to chat with you about how Volt is responding to local conditions in regards to COVID-19. We are taking this situation very seriously in an attempt to protect not only our staff but our members. And so we have divided our staff up into teams and are spreading them out through our locations. We are looking for ways to remote out additional employees so that we can continue to keep each other safe through this time. We did decide to close our lobbies and make them by appointment only. So if you have safety deposit boxes at either of our locations, or if there's something that you don't feel like you can do either through one of our drive-thrus or electronic channels, then please feel free to call our call center and we will be working with you to see about making an appointment and getting you out and also ensure your safety in and out while you're at our facilities. We encourage you though to use our drive-up facilities if at all possible, or our electronic channels, and we have many of them. Our electronic channels are e-access through our website. You can log in, check your accounts, make transfers, see activity, and also through our mobile app. If you want to download our mobile app on your phone, you can do all of the same features online, and you can even do remote deposit capture, where no matter where you are today, whether you're at home or you're at work, you don't necessarily even have to come by. You can deposit those checks that you have through the mobile app, and we are working to continue to accommodate our members and all of their financial needs as quickly as possible. I want to remind you that we are a part of the Credit Union Shared Branch Network. And so what that means is if you go onto our website and you look for co-op ATMs or shared branches, there are several shared branches in town that you can go through their drive-thrus as well. And as long as you have your ID, your account number, you can do business at one of those shared branches if that is a little bit more convenient. And then at our co-op ATMs, which there's over 20 of them around Springfield, you can withdraw cash at any of those ATMs free of charge. We did institute a daily cash limit of $2,000 per day, so that will turn over every 24 hours, but we were seeing expedited cash withdrawals, and we want to make sure that we can continue to fill our members' needs. And therefore we have instituted this temporary cash withdrawal limit of $2,000 per day. If you have an ATM or debit card, you can also access our ATMs in addition to that for another $500 per 24 hours. And so we really want to encourage you and let you know that Volt is a safe place for your money. Through NCUA, you are insured individually up to $250,000. So your money here is safe, and there's no need for you to come and take it out and withdraw it and risk something happening to large amounts of cash. If you have multiple people on your account, if you have a joint account with a spouse or another family member, you get $250,000 per person. So for me and my husband, we can have $500,000 worth of share insurance by how we've titled our account. So please, we want to encourage you. Your money is safe here. Don't worry about it. If you need cash, we want to accommodate you and help you, but don't just come take it out because you're worried about things. Your debit card, your ATM card, all of those things are working. If you don't have one and you want one, we will be happy to order you a card and get that out to you as quickly as possible so that you can continue to make purchases in stores, online, whatever is most convenient to you. One of the things that we are also offering our members right now is a extra skip-a-pay. So we typically offer a skip-a-pay and allow our members to do that one time every 12 months. If you have done that sometime in the last 12 months and you weren't kind of ready for that yet, we're going to go ahead and waive that parameter, and we're going to go ahead and allow you to make a free skip-a-pay right now for either the month of March or the month of April. So if this is something that will help you and your family through this uncertain time, then please reach out to us so that we can help you get that set up on your account. And I just want us to have a little moment where, outside of all of the services that we provide, I hope that we can continue to keep you as our members and our community happy and safe, and that we are accommodating all your needs through this uncertain time. You know, we as leaders right now, whether it's me here at Volt or our local leaders, our state leaders, our national leaders, we're all getting called up to make decisions that we've never had to make before and navigate through very difficult and uncertain situations. And so I want us to take a little bit of time to think about that next time maybe we run to the grocery store or we're online and we're desperately looking for hand sanitizer or toilet paper or Clorox wipes, that, you know, maybe we swing over to the card section and we use this time to actually use this solitude time, or times that it might be a little bit quieter or we have a few more minutes, and instead of spending the weekend binge watching some more TV shows, that we use those cards and we write personalized notes to family and to friends and people who mean a lot to us, and make sure that they know how much we care about them. I think that's something really simple that we can do. And instead of having anger or a lot of judgment or fear right now, I think that we can spread love and we can spread grace and we can spread kindness. And I do feel like the power of positivity will rise up through the situation if we continue to do those things. So I want to encourage you to do those things in your life if you have the time and the means and you can think about it. Let's spread a little love around Springfield and amongst Volt members. Another thing that we are going to do here at Volt is we're going to try to make sure who in this community is in need and accepting donations. So I encourage you to go out to our Facebook page or Instagram. And so if you are aware of local nonprofits or businesses who are taking in goods and services, and you want to spread your generosity that way by helping support other people in this community, I think that's fantastic. And we're going to try to help be a catalyst to get some of that information out, so that if this is something that you want to do, you know exactly where you can go and drop off food or supplies or whatever you feel like you can do. I want to thank you for your time today and for listening to me. One of my favorite thought leaders is Brene Brown, and she constantly talks about choosing courage over comfort. And so that's what I'm going to leave you with today, is right now is really hard and a lot of us are having to use courage over comfort. I get that, you know, being quarantined isn't amazing, or having to work at another facility or home and not being able to go anywhere, and kids without school and all of these things, but let's have some courage, let's have some grace. Let's spread some love here in Springfield. I know that Springfield is an amazing place, and I know that we can do it if we all stick together. We are 417 strong. Thank you all. Peace, love, kindness, and stay safe out there.